Welcome to the Leupold RX-2800 TBRW unboxing video. As the name suggests, this is a 2800 yard rangefinder, and it is one of the latest in the Leupold range, very attractive looking. This rangefinder is a 7x magnification, and it has some very tactile feeling grips at the top and the bottom, which are great for hunting. It has a pretty large front objective lens of 27 mils as well. Just taking a peek inside the box, and as we expect, it's got the usual accessories: battery, case, warranty and documentation. But the differentiator for this particular product over others that Leupold calls out is its true ballistic range. The claim is that some of the competitors, when they work out a range based on angles, use basic trig, and that Leupold makes that more accurate through the use of its true ballistic range algorithm, which is something we can look at here and is explained on this reference card. In order to make the true ballistic range work, basically what Leupold does is have you select something from the table on the back of this card, which makes a number of assumptions which are pretty hunter oriented. For example, has sight-in ranges of 200 to 300 yards, whereas many of us may sight in at 100. But in essence, you grab something from the load group table, and then you input that into the rangefinder itself, and that in theory should make a greater level of accuracy to your firing solution ranges. So instead of using trig, they use an adapted version of the algorithm to give you a much tighter theoretical line of sight shoot distance, and then the firing solution they put forth in MOA or mils should therefore be more accurate than the competition. Taking a closer look around, you can see it has a mode button on the left-hand side, and it has a ranging button on the top. It has clear coated glass, and it has a mount underneath, which is pretty normal. It uses a CR123A battery, which is provided and easy to access, as you can see here. It has a lanyard loop attachment, and it has a pretty easy to use diopter. So in general, you can see this is useful to be holding out there in the field. It's fairly slim. It's very light. Let's just double check the overall weight. As you can see here, it's just a little under 8 ounces. Taking a quick look at the length, it's only 4.4 inches, so very much a pocketable sized rangefinder.